Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Pauline Fu. In this video, I will show you how to create a flyer using Microsoft Word. Specifically, I will show you how to enter format text, insert and format pictures. Finally, how to format the whole document so that it looks nice and professionally. So I will use LMS, Learning Management System. In this case, it is Blackboard. So once I'm in the Blackboard, I click course content. And then you can click My Tab Course or just week 1 to get the data file needed. So I will click Microsoft Project 1. My tab is the product of Cengage. It is compatible with my lab from Pearson. So I will click Start. Because I already downloaded the file, it's directly gave me step 2. Now I want to show you from the beginning. So I will click the back button to see step 1. Download the files. You have 3 files, okay? The first one is the instruction file. Then the second one, start file. And the third one, you have the support file. In this case, it is an image, okay? So I'm going to click the first one, it is downloading. And then double click the second one, downloading again. Double click the third one. So I have all 3 files. And by the way, I'm using Mac, okay? So once you downloaded all the file, you follow the instructions. So you open the instruction file. So all the file I downloaded in the downloads folder. So this is the instruction file. You open it. Okay. So I'm going to make it one page. Okay. The file asks you to open this start file. Okay. And save the start file as plug in your first name, last name. Okay. So I'm going to do this. Okay. And also make sure we have supporting file. That is the image file. Okay. So now let's do this. Open this file and save it using your first name, last name. So where is this file? Remember you downloaded 3 files. This is instruction file. You need to open start file. This one here is the start file. Okay, so this is the start file. You open this one. Okay, so I try to show 2 windows so that you can see both the instructions and the working file. So you need to save this file as a quick file, save as. I'm going to save into my folder. I created a folder. My first. And then GBC. And then, so this is a Competent 10 course, okay? So this is my tab, okay? So I'm going to maybe click here, my, and then the file name should be after your first and last name, change number 1 to number 2. So make sure you have correct file name, okay? And then click Save button. Okay, so you have this file. Okay, what are you going to do with this file? You follow this instruction. You already did this step. You opened this file and save this file as a name, new name. And now do step 1 here. Okay, you are helping to coordinate an audition for a local community theater and are creating a flyer for that event. Begin by changing the document theme colors to green. If you don't do this correctly, you cannot find appropriate colors down the road in the following steps. Some students missed the first step, or they did it wrong in the first step, so that they couldn't find the correct color in the following steps, okay? So make sure you do this step 1 correctly, changing the document same colors to green. Okay, so this is your document. Okay, so you go to the design tab on the ribbon, go to design, and then you have colors here, and then select green. That way you apply green theme to the whole document. Okay, see? Okay, so you finished step 1. Okay, and step 2, make the picture of the umbrellas more eye-catching as follows. Resize the picture to 2.1 inch tall, 2.1, okay? So you click this picture button, okay? You click this picture button, and then click the picture button, and then you have the height, okay? But I have centimeter. The given is the inch, so you need to convert 2.1 to centimeter. So if you don't know how to do it, you can change your computer. There are many ways to do it. One way, by the way, when you're stuck on something, you can always go to the Google. Okay, so for example, I'm going to Google. I want to know how much is the centimeter for 2.1 inch? Is how many inches? Okay, no, like not the other way. 2 centimeter, 2.1 is how many in centimeters? cm. So see, it is 5.334 centimeters. 2.1 inches equal to 5.334. Okay, so 5.334. I go here, I type in 5.334. Okay, so that is the height. Okay, step A. Step B, apply compound frame, blank picture style. Okay, so apply picture style. So you have this picture style here. Okay, and compound frame blank. It is this one. Compound frame blank. Okay, that is the step B. Step C, applying green 5-point glow Asian colors with picture effect. Okay, so make sure the picture is selected, and then you go to the picture effects button here. Okay, and then you need to select glow. Okay, and then because I am using, so this is the picture effect glow, and then select 5-point green Asian color one. So this is aqua Asian green 5-point. Double check. Green 5-point glow Asian color one. Yeah, this is the one. Oops. Okay. So this is the one. You click. You finish step 2. And step 3, your flyer will be used to invite community members to audition for a musical. Draw attention to flyer's heading paragraph auditions as follows. So A, change paragraph spacing before to 12. B, change paragraph spacing after 18, after to 18. Okay. So you highlight these auditions. Highlight auditions. Right click your mouse and then select paragraph. Now you have spacing, line space before, spacing before you need 12 points. So you select 12. Changing the paragraph spacing after to 18. After is 18. Okay, and then you click OK button. Okay, step C, change the case to uppercase. Make sure audition selected. You go to home. So this button here, change case button, uppercase. Okay, and now change the font size to 36. Okay. So this is 28, change the font size to 36. 36. And center the paragraph. This is the center button, quick center. Okay, so you finished step 3. Now step 4. Bold the date, April 5th. There is a mistake, should be April 2nd. Okay, so bold this one. So you highlight this one, April 2. It is actually bold this one. It is already bold, so you don't do anything. It is already bold. Okay. Bold the date in the paragraph that begins to emphasize it. It is already bold. Okay. Bold the date. Yes. Step 5. Add the phrases as follows to the paragraph. Beginning actors, singers, dancers, so that it reads actors, singers, and dancers. Please prepare for the addition as follows. So this paragraph, you need to add something, add a phrase in this paragraph. The paragraph, so you add at the end as follows. As follows. So you finish step 5. Step 6, create a bulleted list, beginning with the paragraph, adult singers, music with you, adult singers. So this paragraph refer to this one, okay? And ending with paragraph, youth singers and dancers. This is youth singers and dancers. So basically, you are asked to select those 3 paragraphs. Select these 3 paragraphs and then create a bulleted list. So this is the bulleted list button, okay, bullets, just click it. So you got the bulleted list, okay. And now step 7, emphasize the bulleted list as follows. Change the font of the text in the bulleted list to Cambria. Make sure this bulleted list is selected, Cambria. So you go to here and select font type. So alphabetical order, it is right here, Cambria in my case. Okay. So we finish 7A, 7B, change the font color of the text to the bulleted list to green, ancient one, darker 25%. if you didn't do correctly in step 1, you'll have trouble in this step. Step 1 asks you to apply green theme color to the whole document. Okay, go back, double check step 1. If you cannot do, if you stuck here, okay. Change the bulleted text color. So this bulleted text is already selected. So now you change this color to, this is the color button. Okay, font color. Change this color to, it is on the 5th row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is this one here. No, this is a alignment in the same color punch. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is the green ancient, darker 25%. Okay, so click this button. Okay. Now step 8, italicize the text. Tape dancing is encouraged in the paragraph beginning adult dancers. So tape dancing is encouraged. You highlight tape dancing is encouraged, and then click this italic button. Okay. Step 9, delete the sentence. Accompanist provided in the same paragraph. So delete this one. Accompanist deleted. Highlight. Select this and press delete. Step 10, apply outline text effect. Lyman Ancient 3, theme to web address and the phone number. Okay, and the phone number. So I'm going to just move this a little bit. So highlight this. Oops. This web address. Okay, and then the phone number. By press and hold down Shift, you select non-adjacent items at the same time. So highlight this website and then Shift. Not this one. So highlight this one and then Shift. This one, Shift. Or you can do individually. So I'm going to do individually. Highlight this one. Apply outline text effect. Outline text effect. So this one is the text effect. Okay. So click this one and then outline text effect and select Lyman Ancient 3. Okay. So this one, no. 7th column, 1st row. This is this one, Lyman Ancient 3. 7th column, 1st row in the same colors palette. Okay, so click this one. Okay, and then you do the telephone. This one here, do the telephone. Click the text effect, outline, and then Lyman Ancient 3. Okay. So you finish step 10. Step 11, apply the paragraph shading. Lyman Ancient 2, lighter 60% to the entire paragraph beginning production information. So select the whole paragraph. Okay, and then paragraph shading. Okay. So this one is a text highlighter color. Okay. Text highlighter color. And then select line. Not this one. What is this one? Font color. Apply the paragraph shading. Paragraph shading, where it is here. Shading, okay. So this is shading. Shading. Lime accent, green light. Third, 1, 2, 3, 6. No, it is a 6 column, third row. Lime accent 2, lighter 60%. This one here, 6 column, third row in the same colors palette. Okay, so click this one. Step 12, insert picture. Okay, in the blank line after the paragraph, beginning production information, insert the supporting file, this picture. Remember you downloaded 3 files, okay? So the third file is the picture. Okay. So I'm going to press Enter key, and then when you finished, you should see your finished product is like this. So the picture is centered here, okay? Although the instruction didn't mention, but it did give you the final result here. Your document should be like this when you finished. So when you look at this picture, it is centered. So I'm going to center this picture when I insert. It doesn't matter because you apply vertical center to the entire page here. So now I just focus on insert the picture, okay? Step 12A. Step 12A. So I'm going to insert picture. Insert picture. Picture from file. Remember when I download this file, I put all the file in downloads folder. So I'll go to downloads folder. And see, this is the picture file. Okay, this is the picture file. Click insert. Okay, so it is insert and resize the picture so that it is a 1 inch tall. So select this 1 inch. 1 inch is how many centimeter you have to figure out. So I'm go back to the Google. 1 inch. 1 inch is how many centimeter? So 1 inch is 2.54 centimeter. Okay. 2.54. So I'm going to type in 2.54 centimeter. Okay. All right, so I completed step 12. Step 13, apply center vertical alignment to the entire page. This is the point. If you are using Mac, you may have difficulties. If you have a PC, it is a smooth process. You go to outline page setup and then select vertical centered. But if you are using Mac, you watch my step here, okay? So I'm going to center vertical alignment to the home page, to the whole, okay? So I will just want to show one page. Okay. So you go to File, Page Setup, and then on Page Attributes, select Microsoft Word, and then click Margin. After that, you select Layout, Okay, and then you have vertical alignment, select center. That way, you vertically align the whole document, okay, in the center, and then click OK button. Okay, but this one, I have to manually, this picture should also be centered, so I'll just manually do it. Click center button. Okay, looks like I have the second page blank. You can delete because the second page has nothing. You can delete by click the view. Okay, navigation pane, click the second page, hit delete button. So now you just have one page. Okay, so save this file. You finished. Oh, we haven't finished yet. We just finished step 13 and then step 14. Step 14, finish the flyer by adding a page border. Okay, select a border style of your choice. It is said select false options. Okay, so click home page. Okay, this is the border style. Okay. Vertical view border style. So select weighted design. Page border. You go to the design, page borders. Okay. And then page border, select the fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one here. Okay, select the fifth one. And also change the width of border to 2¼ point. The width is here. 2 and this point. Okay, this side 2. And change the border color to turquoise Ancient 6. So where's the color? The color is here. Okay. So this one, the fifth row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this the one? The 10th color, it didn't give me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, this is the 10th column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the correct one. Okay, choose this color. Okay, and then click OK button. Okay, so that is the last step. So your document should like this. Okay, so double check your document should like this. Okay. So once you finish, you save it. Okay, and then you go back to the Blackboard where you downloaded the file. Here, you go back to here. Okay, and then you click continue. Now upload. Where did I save my file? Remember I saved in Compton 10, then mine. And this is the file. You have to remember where did you save your file, okay? So this is the file I saved. Click OK button. Okay, so it said ready to submit, and then you click submit button. Submit. Okay, so once you submit, it will just take a few moments. You can see your mark. Isn't that amazing? Okay, okay, let's see. I may have one mistake. I will tell you, I will not get 100 because it said bold, the date, April 2nd. It is already bold, so I didn't do anything. I lose mark on that part, just let you know, okay? So view report. View report. Where is my report? Here. Not this one here. It is in my download, view report. See, this is the report. Okay, this is the report. I probably did some, see, it said I didn't do the board. It is already board, okay? Applied paragraph shading. I did something wrong here. I probably select some color. Okay, that is the only 2 points I didn't do correctly, but I allow you 3 submissions. You can go back to make these changes and resubmit second time so that you can improve your mark, okay? So 3 attempts, okay? All right, that's all for this video. In summary, I showed you step-by-step approach how to create a business flyer, enter and format the text, insert, format the pictures, and format the whole page. Thank you for your time. See you next time.